Welcome back to Lucas Wood and Art. Just showing you the chicken coop there. It's been raining a lot lately. There's obviously one chicken that got out. Don't know what she's up to. Probably wants to help, heading towards the garage. Might hand her a screwdriver or something. Anyway, so today we're going to do a floating frame for this artwork we got in South Africa, Cape Town, on our vacation. Got a souvenir. So what they do is recycle tin cans and then nail them and then clip the nails from the back. So that's what that is. Looks kind of 3D, so it's going to look nice framed. Let's get started. So this frame's not going to be anything fancy. It's just going to be a leftover pine, piece of pine, so we're going to use that for the frame. Just showing you what the layout will be and like a short quick design of the frame. All the joints are going to be mitered at 45 and the picture is going to sit in the middle. It'll look like it's floating. So all the sides of the frame are going to be rabbits on them, and then we'll cut the sides at a 45 and join them together. Before we make any cuts, I just want to make sure that the table saw blade is square and true. Just make sure it's 90 degrees. The picture frame is going to be 1 3/4 inches. Next, I'm making markings for the rabbit I'm going to cut out for the frames. Really depends on the picture you try and frame and how much reveal you want on the sides of your picture. Sadly, I lost footage of me making the cuts for the rabbits. With the rabbits cut, next is to make the 45-degree cuts. First one, always check. And this one's pretty dead on, 45, so go ahead and make the rest of the cuts. With all the cuts made, I'm just going to do a dry fit and make sure the picture fits in as expected and the reveal is even all the way around the picture. So I'll be gluing the joints, but I'll also be using this pin nailer on the joints. I didn't need to, but I went ahead and did it anyway. I set up a quick jig to help with the gluing. Again, you don't need to do this, but it just helps to make sure all the joints are at 90. Once everything's dry, I'm going to use a router with a chamfer bit on the outside edge of the frame just to add a little bit of detail and then sand everything down. Just going to tape everything up before I paint the inside of the frame black. And then use a wipe-on poly for the outside edges of the picture frame. To attach the picture to the picture frame, I'm just going to use a double-sided sticky tape. No screws required because the size of the picture doesn't require it. I think the sticky tape is good enough. Just make sure the reveal all the way around is even and looks good. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and we'll see you again in the next video.